Hi guys, David from RV Wholesalers with another Hey RVW video. Today we're going to talk about hybrid campers. Hybrid campers are a cross between a travel trailer and a tent camper, or you may know it as a pop-up. Pop-ups or tent campers have basically just a tent, right, with a floor built, and it's got an axle underneath it. You can tow it around. Well, hybrids are like a travel trailer, but they put the tent ends on the travel trailer. These units have tent ends to them that can fold in and out and act as extra sleeping space. Normally they'll sleep anywhere from 2 to 3 people, so it gives you a lot of extra sleeping space inside your travel trailer or your hybrid camper. Hybrid campers are shorter in length. Why? Because you don't have to have floor space for the tent ends. When you get to where you're going, you unlock and unfold your tent end, and that gives you increased interior space. It even makes the unit feel bigger because you can see more area. Hybrid campers are some of the smallest version of RVs besides teardrops and pop-ups, which we mentioned earlier. So they're very small, very lightweight. Hybrid campers hook to your tow vehicle just like a travel trailer would. You're going to hook your coupler of your hybrid RV or hybrid camper right onto the hitch ball of your tow vehicle. Very easy to tow, very safe. Hybrid campers will fit in any campsite that you find in any campground within the US or Canada. All of them again are a smaller floor plan, so they're going to fit wherever you want to camp. So to wrap up, hybrid campers are small travel trailers with tent ends. They're hauled like a travel trailer. They fit all campsites. They bring you closer to nature because nature's right outside your tent end when you're sleeping. And the really cool thing is they're very affordable and very lightweight. As always, thank you for watching. Please make sure you call us if you have any additional questions about hybrid campers at 877-877-4494. Our RV consultants would love to help you. Please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube page and follow us on Facebook.